So, you want to start a business but have $0? No problem. Some of the biggest brands, Apple, Amazon, Google, started with almost nothing. And if they did it, so can you. Most people think you need money to make money. Wrong. The real secret? Creativity, strategy, and hustle. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a profitable business with no money, step by step. By the end, you'll have a real plan to start making money. Starting today. Step 1. Choose a business that requires zero money. Not all businesses need cash to start. Just skill and effort. Here are the best ones. 1. Freelancing. Write, design, edit videos, or manage social media on Fiverr, Upwork, or Twitter. 2. Service-based hustles. Offer dog walking, cleaning, tutoring, or shopping. Just effort. No investment. 3. Dropshipping. Sell products without handling inventory. List, sell, and let suppliers do the rest. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products. Earn commissions. No inventory, no hassle. 5. Print on demand. Design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs. Platforms like Teespring handle everything. Pro tip: pick a business that fits your skills and interests. Start fast. Step 2. Use free tools and platforms. No budget, no problem. Build a legit business for $0 with these free tools. Website, Wix, Card, or Google Sites. Free. Logo and branding, Canva. Free. Marketing, social media. Free exposure, unlimited reach, automation, Google Docs, Sheets and Forms. Free. Step 3. Find your first customers. Fast. No customers, no business. Let's get you paid. 1. The work for free trick. Do one job free. Get testimonials and clients fast. 2. DM 50 people today. Hustle now. Money follows. 3. The 24-hour challenge. Make $10, $50, or $100 in a day. Go all in. 4. Use local businesses. Offer websites, social media help, or marketing. Get paid. Fast. Your goal: make your first dollar. After that, it's just a numbers game. Step 4. Scale without spending money. Now that you're making money, multiply it. Without spending a dime. Referrals, Jakungsh free marketing. Happy clients bring 10 more. Automate and outsource. Hire freelancers for small tasks. Focus on growth. Reinvest smartly. Scale your marketing and tools wisely. Add more income streams. Sell ebooks, coaching, or digital products. Final words: starting a business with no money isn't just possible. It's happening now. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't. Action. So here's your challenge. Take one step today. Set up a website, reach out to clients, or post your first ad. Just start. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your business idea. Now go start making money with no money.